In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zip up a folder on your Mac. So locate the files on your computer that you want to put into a zip folder. I have a packaged up brochure file that I'm going to use for this tutorial. So we have multiple files within a folder. You can right click and find the compress option. You can also go to File, Compress. And what this will do, it will create your zip file. So it's placing all of these images, graphics, everything in the folder, and compressing it up into a much smaller file size. So here's my zip folder. This is now much easier to send to someone or upload to a file uploader. And now let's double click to open this zip file and just make sure that everything is in the file. Flip inside, everything is there. So that's how you create a zip file on a Mac. Follow CryeStudio for more tutorials. Thanks so much.